Similarly, on the solar panels, as a homeowner, you would want to know how is your system working out. Again, you have to think from a different sector and bring in all those learnings in here. So we decided, okay, we need to show the homeowner how is your system performing on a real-time basis. How do you do that? You need IoT and you need an app which shows them that. How does a homeowner now get to know how is the system performing? So when you invest in a stock, for example, let's say you buy a Reliance stock and you go on a Zerodha or Sharekhan to see how the stock is working out. Similarly, on the solar panels, as a homeowner, you would want to know how is your system working out. Again, you have to think from a different sector and bring in all those learnings in here. So we decided, okay, we need to show the homeowner how is your system performing on a real-time basis. How do you do that? You need IoT and you need an app which shows them that. So we created one IoT device. It needed to be completely inexpensive. Again, in the US or in Australia, people are ready to pay, let's say $300, $400 just to monitor their system's performance. In India, if you are buying the system for, let's say, $2,500, you're not really looking to pay another 10% of the cost just to monitor the system's performance. So what we did was we checked all kinds of sensors and chips and created a device which was so inexpensive that we started giving it out for free along with systems. And that is just to take out all the concerns that people have in their minds. That IoT device connects to the app, sends data over cloud, and now homeowner can go and see that, okay, today is a cloudy day. My system is performing this way. How is Mr. Pinaki's system performing? Or how is Derek's system performing in Bangalore? So, and then you send them, again, the communication learning that we had from day zero. We kept using that in the communication on these days as well. So if it's a cloudy day, you would want to know the relative performance of your system, not just an absolute performance. So you send them alerts like that. How do you ensure that the systems get maintained over the next 25 years? You send them maintenance alerts. You will forget after a point of time that your solar panels, because they're on the rooftop, they are not like your car. They do not need a lot of maintenance. You might forget to clean them. And then dust and pollution, which is the reality of our country, will reduce your output. So we nudge them. You can get it clean. And one selfish way it helps us is that if a homeowner has any concerns that the inverter is not working or the panels are not performing, we can remotely check, which is a great thing about IoT products, right? They allow you to remotely diagnose if there is anything wrong with the system. So that is the product innovation, which has helped us bring it to as many homes as possible.